Welcome back to Making a Difference. I'm Steve Strum. This morning we have Jarica Thigpen and Robyn Bratton from Coastal Mobile Medical Care. Good morning, ladies.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm great. So we had a really great opportunity to talk about who you guys are, but I'd love to talk about who you guys are as far as a company. What makes you, what do you guys do? What is this mobile physician services thing?
Yeah, so with Coastal Mobile Medical Care, we're a concierge urgent care service. I'm a physician assistant and Robyn's a nurse practitioner. And we have together combined over 30 years of healthcare experience, mostly in emergency medicine. And so we were working together in the ER here locally, and we took our experience there and we decided to develop this idea of Coastal Mobile Medical Care so that we can take healthcare to patients in their own homes.
Robyn, some of the things that we have had the opportunity to experience in life in medical care has changed.
Yeah.
What makes you guys unique and special? Why is a mobile concierge medical service something that is a valuable resource for people today?
Well, I would have to say, mainly convenience. Jarica and I care so much about our patients, and we've seen patients and their family members wait for hours on end in emergency and urgent care waiting rooms. So we are able to, with Coastal Mobile, take the provider to them so they can stay comfortable in their own setting, see them, evaluate them, and take care of them there.
So when you talk about medical services, right, if I break a bone, probably not something that you guys can do on a mobile basis,
right.
But what are some of the things that you do? And I know that you have a consumer side and then a business side that we'll talk about in a minute. But what are some of the things that you would do for me, 4 teenagers, right? So there's always a reason to go to the doctor. That would be unique and different than the traditional process, which I have a flu, I have to go talk to the doctor, and then hopefully I get an appointment the next couple of weeks. By then I'm done with the flu.
Right.
What is it that you guys do that's unique and special?
Yeah, we have everything with us when we come to your home. So we do rapid testing in the home. So we can see you, evaluate you, we can take your vital signs, we can do any testing that might need to be done there. We also have medications if you need any of those. We do IV therapy. So let's say you have a headache or you have an upper respiratory infection, anything like that. So we can do all the things, and we can then send medications to your pharmacy.
And as a nurse practitioner
Yes.
and a PA, you guys do have the ability not to just perform medical services, but in the event that a prescription is needed, a lot of people don't understand that. You guys also have the ability to prescribe medication should that be some part of course of treatment.
Absolutely. Mm-hmm.
So this is something that is obviously, there's nothing new under the sun, right? Providing concierge services, but providing concierge services to the medical universe really is something, especially today with the long lines to get care. Even if you have great insurance, it's still forever. Exactly. For myself, who owns and runs a business, as well as 80% of the economy uses small businesses, you guys have actually come up with something that helps to serve businesses. And you were going to talk a little bit about what that is.
Yeah, so we're actually really excited. We're getting ready to launch a business membership program. And essentially it's just allows small businesses the opportunity to provide reliable and convenient supplemental healthcare options for their employees. So we can see them at their employees at the office. They can call us via telemedicine, but it helps keep their patients in the office working, or their employees in the office working. And it also, we do annual visits and lab values, more of just a wellness plan and convenience. So they're not sitting in an urgent care, waiting for hours on end.
And one of the things with a small business, right, is you're always, as you guys, right, you're all small business, but as we are a small business owner, one of the things that we always are competing for is dollars, right?
Yes.
Right.
Dollars are precious. And what are the most expensive things? Payroll. What's number 2? Benefits.
Yes.
What are you guys, from what I understand, is that membership program is allowing you to have medical services for a small business owner that may not be able to afford full-on health care,
Absolutely.
but provide something at a lower cost option
Absolutely.
that will still give them services of 80% of what people go to the doctor for?
Absolutely.
And so that is phenomenal. So what a cool idea, right? You guys are professionals, you've worked in a hospital setting, now you're trying to do something for clients in a place that's best for them, which is many times their home or office. So much stuff we could talk about, and I could say hello for a half hour if you let me. You know this. If people want to find out more about your organization, the business services, or how to schedule an appointment, what's the best way to connect?
Honestly, the best way is our website. It's coastalmedicalcare.com. You can also conveniently book an appointment on our website. It's a super easy portal there. that's available. And then we also have Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and our phone number is blasted everywhere. And like Robyn said, we love talking to our patients, so we'd be more than happy to take a phone call.
And you guys are absolutely, did my research, you guys are absolutely Googleable, which is great. Thank you guys for coming in. It's really cool to hear, innovation coming out of, what is it? Innovation is born by the mother of necessity, something of that nature. So really appreciate you guys coming in and talking about what you're doing for our community. Guys, thank you so much for joining us on Making a Difference. If you like us, share us. Remember, live with gratitude.